This is XGIMI Titan Noir, built for absolute black and images without compromise. Its RGB triple laser delivers pure, vivid color and an exceptional 7000 ISO lumens brightness. Introducing our dual intelligent iris, which delivers native shadow control through optical precision. The dual iris offers 5 manual levels and includes a dynamic mode that adapts in real time. It delivers up to 10,000 to 1 native contrast, achieved through light control, not digital dimming. Re-engineered DBLE technology, powered by XGIMI's X-Vision image chip, which is built for deeper depth and greater visual balance. The X-Master Red Ring Lens Pro, a 15-element, ultra-high-resolution optical system for edge-to-edge clarity. With this next-generation SST DMD architecture, it delivers higher power tolerance, improved thermal flow, and stable brightness. Optical zoom and lens shift provide installation freedom, flexible positioning, and optical purity. Ready to experience true cinema-quality entertainment right in the comfort of your own home. Features ultra-low 1 millisecond latency with VRR and ALLM support for a faster response and total immersion. From daytime brilliance to nighttime depth, every frame remains extraordinary. XGIMI Titan Noir series.